A winter roof replacement was performed by Hansons for Redbud Inn in Buchanan, Michigan. This local renovation expert does roofing, siding, windows, insulation, doors, gutter guards. In this case, we needed to deal with some failing shingles. They looked just awful. They didn't look that good even after they were installed. But this is the kind of damage you can get when you have a bad roof installation. So Hansons came in, assessed the damage. You can see here lots of wood rot from years of leakage. So this is the infamous rot. Finally tore out. Finally going to get fixed after all these years. We're going to see about this part.
And then we're going to just put some one bag to bring that up even, and then we can deck right over it.
So old rotting wood was replaced. Everything on the top of the house was redecked. And a whole dumpster of rip-up was there to show the proof of all the crap I'd had on my roof, including a couple layers of the original cedar shake. The front porch had lots of rot that needed reconstruction. They also changed the angle of my roof to pull water away from the side of my house and guide it down to the gutters. This is what the back of the house looked like originally. This is with the shingles ripped off and the decking started. As the decking continues, covering the entire area. 2 rows of ice barrier are always used on Hanson roof jobs. Water barrier is also put on every surface. And this is a completed roof side. And you can see they did this even despite the harsh winter weather and low temperatures and snow. They were able to just blow all the snow off and continue working like it was nothing. Here's them reconstructing the front porch. So for your best roofing value, I recommend Hansons. We love the way they hit the ground running, and we love the finished product.